Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll learn how to use Facebook for beginners. Facebook is a social media platform that lets you connect with friends, family, and communities from your Android phone. As a beginner, learning the basic features will help you navigate the app with confidence. Follow the steps below to get started using Facebook on Android. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Facebook app. Sign into your Facebook account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Tap the Home tab to view posts from friends, pages, and groups. Tap a post to read it. Use the like, comment, or share buttons to interact. Or you can use the save to check it whenever you want. Use the search icon to find people, pages, groups, or businesses. Tap the Friends tab to view friend requests or search for people to add. Open the Menu tab to access features such as groups, marketplace, and saved items. Tap your profile picture to view and edit your profile. Create a post by tapping What's on your mind on the home screen. Add text by tapping the text box, photos, or videos by tapping this option to your post if desired. Adjust the audience for your post before publishing it by tapping this option. Tap Post to share your content with your selected audience. Open the settings in Privacy from the menu to manage your account, privacy, and notifications. And just continue exploring Facebook features to become more familiar with the app. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.